Today, we're going to create a melting text effect using a gradient trick in Photoshop. First, grab the Type tool and type anything you want. Now, press Ctrl-T, hold Shift, and scale it up. Next, go to the Character panel and choose a bold font. I'm using Bueno Extra Bold. Right-click the text and convert it into a smart object. Now, go to Filter, Blur, Blur Gallery, and Tilt Shift. Increase the blur slightly and drag it upward so the bottom stays sharper and the top gets softer. Nice. Click OK. Now, open Filter, Liquify, set the pressure to around 60, and gently drag the bottom downward to create that melting look. That's looking good. Click OK. Next, go to Adjustments, Gradient Map, click Reverse. Now, edit the gradient. Add a new color stop and set it from red to pink. Add another one, maybe make it white. Then add one more and set it to black. You can even add extra colors in between to get a more dynamic look. And just like that, you get this metallic chrome liquid effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.